Hey guys, welcome to the Friday Bushwalkers. It's Friday the 22nd. G'day boys.
G'day. Morning. How are we today?
Dave's got the maps right.
Sorry. How are you? Morning. Morning.
And we got Al.
Good morning, how are you going?
So where are we going, Al? You're the team leader
We're
today.
going down through the forest here. We've got two walks here. We're doing the first one, then we'll loop around the second one and back again.
Lovely.
Lily-pilly forest, the back one.
Oh yeah, should
And
be
then,
good.
I've forgotten what the name of the first one is. Blue gum.
Blue gum. All right.
Yeah.
Oh well, enjoy the walk. What do you reckon? And it's liquid sunshine.
Yeah.
Here we go. Wet. Is there any leeches here, Al? Off we go.
Yeah, because the sun's out, water on that. Yeah. And then all of a sudden, they've obviously unblocked the drive.
Oh, we've got a bit of a river crossing here, boys. How good's this? Might take the footbridge, eh? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How beautiful is this? Look at this.
It's good, isn't it, actually, to see it after a lot of rain?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's lovely. What do we got here, boys? Big Sydney Redgum. Beautiful.
It is a beautiful tree, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh no, this looks a little bit damp. What do you reckon, boys?
Yeah, a little bit damp.
All right.
Looks like the left-hand side, doesn't it?
Feel free to fall in because I've got the video going.
Good.
Can you do a full body roll? None of these either.
At our Redgum the other day, we had no choice of one. So we went away to the first to go, and then Mum was waterproof boots, and not a lot of use once the water's in. Right. Had to stop it, bring out the stopper. Hey guys, can you go back and get the camera?
Yeah.
It's not.
No, how beautiful is this? Consider it's all just sand dunes.
Well, technically, I guess a lot of it is sand dunes. Isn't
Yeah.
it? It's just been so well grown on.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like sand dunes, does it?
Doesn't,
It looks
no.
like, a sandstone thing.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
with ferns on it. So
Yep.
we'll have a look at the path underneath us when we get up there.
Yeah. Wetlands Trail.
We're doing the big
back
loop,
into
big loop
shape.
that way, the Red Gum Trail.
Feels like Ireland. I would hope that they're on around the pole.
Where are we going, boys?
We're going down this way.
It's a game they play in Ireland.
How good's that?
But you'll do that and your foot won't move.
Well, the driveway and the footpaths outside are all done with something that cost a lot of money. It's
Yeah.
been very good.
How good's this? This is a lovely walk, Alan. Good choice.
Thanks, mate. It's been enjoyed. I like it over here.
Yeah. Can safely say I've never walked on this.
Oh, I thought you didn't come that time.
I didn't come. No.
Here we go.
Redgum Forest.
It's a new sign they put up there. What's it?
Blokes had it easy.
Beautiful. Well, we were in the wetlands, mate,
Mm-hmm.
and now we're in the highlands.
Right.
Yeah. So there's the boys.
Oh, yeah, that's where we just parked.
Oh, did we? We are doing a big circle, are we?
Yeah. Well, you come in and you loop around, but that's the actual caravan park.
Oh, is it?
Evans Road, yeah.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's all like that.
What a beautiful spot. Down into the valley, down all the palms down the bottom. So quiet. That's Tuggerah Lakes in the background there. Oh, they've all nicked off on me. How beautiful is this? I can safely say I've never walked on these tracks before, and I've been here for over 40 years.
Well, I don't want you flashing your fly to everybody, mate. I thought that was just between you and I.
Lucky we've got editing software. Yes. We'll need every...
Well, we've got a bit of a fork in the road here, boys.
we're going to take one of the forks
Yeah.
to the left or the right.
If they walk that way and we walk this way, we'll meet up in the middle. Maybe.
Yeah. We should come back to where we started.
Yeah. We should.
You guys want
Look at that.
you guys, I'm going to stand here, you guys go ahead.
Oh, you want to get us?
You want us falling
You want
over.
to film us falling over?
Whoa! 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 I would laugh. Oh. Whoa! Sorry. I would laugh if you went over. The safest place is actually here in the middle. Trying to get me from the other angle.
It actually doesn't look as steep from this end as it did from the top. It doesn't look that steep from down here compared to what it looked like from the top.
Got a shot of you.
Looking really nice. Oh, look at that. See the colour underneath? He's red.
Like once the plane goes, I think, what they like people.
Wow. Wow, check this out. This looks unbelievable. Unbelievable. How good is this? Lovely. We're on the Lily Pilly Loop. I suppose I better catch up to the boys. They're getting ahead of me a little bit.
For some reason he got onto gin. He doesn't like Gordon's at all. And he has the vocabulary to describe just how much he doesn't like that one. He's a funny man.
I had an old uncle who used to send me off to a bottle shop to get a bottle of gin. And he said, either Gordon's or BT's, nothing else. That was...
They were the traditional
the 70s, yeah.
They were traditional even then.
Yeah.
What a
You happy?
great break. What do you reckon? Where are we, mate? This is getting a
We're
bit dicey.
in the bush. In the bush.
Bit dicey down here. Nice bit of moss down here. Look at this.
furry, isn't it?
Yeah,
Almost like carpet.
yeah. How good's that? Look at it over on these the timber.
It's almost fluorescent.
Yeah.
There was a sign there, but what was that? It's deteriorated because of the
Watch
rain
out. Last year and
conditions.
put up on my lounge room. Sign. Can you collect signs? Will you?
The riding track.
It's raining again. Well, that was a nice little walk. We've lost a few of the boys. They've taken off on us,
They're
but
gone.
we hung in there.
We're left on the wetland trail, mate.
Yeah,
All wet.
all lost. But anyway, it was a good walk.
Recommend it to anyone.
Yeah, and definitely do it again, I reckon, on a dry day, see what the difference is.
Yeah. Well, we'll catch you next time on the Friday Bushwalkers. Cheers.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like, all the business.
All that stuff.
All
Do
that.
that. Do it
We'll
all.
catch you next week. Bye.
That's how. Cheers.
Cheers. Hey, boys.
Now in the rainforest. For coffee. I mean,
I know.
we're having caffeine stuff.
Coffee and a piss.